Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to crochet a pebble stitch washcloth, and you'll need approximately 90 yards of cotton to do this entire cloth. So 10 meters of a contrasting color if you want to add that, or just 90 to make the entire washcloth. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Okay, after you have your chain the correct length, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to continue all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row, and that's what it will look like. When you get to the end of the row, because we began with an even number of stitches, you should have ended with a single crochet. So now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And that's going to take the place of the first double crochet that would have been worked into a single crochet. And I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next. Double. Single. Repeat across the row. Okay, I have worked across the row. So if you'd like to have a band in a different color, you'll just pull in your new color, turn your work, and this will be a single crochet and then a double crochet. So you'll go ahead and continue working the pebble stitch. So double crochet and single crochet. And you just continue to work the pebble stitch like this. And I have worked 2 rows in the blue, 2 rows in the pink, and then I continued to work in my main color, and then I did 2 rows in pink, and I ended with 2 rows in blue. And that's how easy it is to crochet a washcloth in the pebble stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.